Hello everyone, welcome to Ieee Xpert. Today we are going to see one of the interesting projects which is displayed on the Smart India Hackathon 2024. In Government of India, they are conducting Smart India Hackathon every year. In the Smart India Hackathon, they have displayed one of the very interesting problems. Okay, for that problem only, we are going to provide the solution. The project named as Agriculture Commodity Price Prediction using Machine Learning. This is the project which you are going to discuss today. Imagine in a world whether you can able to predict the future prices of crop like wheat, soybeans, rice, etc. This can help the farmer to make them better decision on their cultivation. So in this project, you can predict the future price of all the crops, all the Indian crops, so that you can make the better decision regarding your cultivation. This is the project which you are going to discuss today. The future price of crop depends upon the various factors. For example, weather factor, socio-economical factor, then past 20 years data set. These are the factors we are going to consider for this project. In this project, you can give any crop as an input. It will give the future price of the crop. Okay, what's the price of this crop in the next month? What's the price of crop in 3 months later, 4 months later, so that you can make the decision accordingly. This is the best project we are going to implement for the farmers. Okay, so you are a student or engineer, you are having interest in agriculture, farmers, or having interest to help the farmers. This is the right project for you. This is the very huge potential project. Why? Because this project uses both data science as well as machine learning in a single project. Why I am calling data science here means this project uses around 80,000 plus data, which is huge to produce. Okay, this project uses that much big data set for that project. Okay, also this project uses innovative machine learning technology, CNN, for commodity price prediction. So no one implemented this project in earlier. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Also, this project will trend the better crop depends upon the market demand, so that you can take the decision accordingly. This crop having huge demand in near future, so that I can plan to cultivate that crop in my farm. This project, you are going to collect various data from the farmers. From the data set, you have to make decision engineering. Decision engineering means feature collection, feature extraction, like that. Then you are going to apply convolutional neural network. What it will do means it will compare the forecast details. Based on the forecast details, market demand, geopolitical decision, it will give the future price of this exact crop. Okay, so that stay tuned with this video. In this video, we are going to provide complete demo, complete presentation explanation, complete implementation detail about that project. Okay, thank you.
Let me move on to the project base paper as well as PPT explanation. So let me explain the project base paper. This is the project base paper for this project. This base paper published on Ieee 2024. This is a very recent project. Okay, this base paper very well suited with the SIH. Okay, SIH data. This base paper very well suited with that. So the base paper titled as ARIMA LSTM algorithm in predicting agriculture commodities market price for farmer education. From the title itself, we come to know that this project going to predict the commodities price to help the farmers. Okay, if some farmer going to harvest something in near future means he don't know whether the price will be increased or decreased. So in some cases, if he harvests something, but while harvesting state the price decreased means he will lead to this huge loss. That's why this project will be beneficial for in that cases. Okay, it will predict the future price for each and every commodities. So accordingly, he will harvest the things. Okay, accordingly he will farm these things. Okay, that is the main motto as well as advantage of this project. So let me explain the project presentation here. This is the project presentation. We have given some innovative title for this project. This project titled as FutureCrop. FutureCrop means AI-powered price prediction for agriculture and vegetable markets. This is the main title of this project. Let me explain the abstract of the project. So agriculture plays a crucial role in Indian economy. Okay, not only Indian economy, the world itself depends on the agriculture economy only. Here, prices of agri commodities is significantly impact to the farmers as well as consumers. We also have to plan our futures. Okay, in future, if some fruits prices increased or vegetable price increases, means the common man also will suffer. Not only farmers, the common man also will suffer. So that the accurate price prediction of agriculture commodity is very much important for reducing the economical risk of the country as well as every individual people. So that's why this project was very much important. Here we are going to use convolutional neural network as a main model to predict the agriculture prices, okay, agriculture commodity prices. This will provide the reliable price forecast for the each and every data. The main introduction of the project was, so you are going to predict the prices of pulses as well as vegetable, even include egg, okay. It will predict various agriculture commodities prices, okay. The price will be fluctuated, depends upon the various data. For example, geopolitical factors as well as economical factors as well as the environmental factors. The prices of each and every agriculture commodity will be fluctuated, depends upon the various prices. So that you have to apply a very intelligent algorithm which can able to predict the price very effectively. That's why we are going to use convolutional neural network here. The main challenges was we are going to face two main challenges. First challenges was price fluctuation. The price, as I mentioned earlier, the price depends on the various factors. For example, market demand, weather, then supply chain distribution, as well as the government policy changes. These are the main challenges, okay. And one more challenge is, if you are going for the existing base paper ARIMA, like that means you would face inaccurate prediction. As stated earlier, this base paper uses ARIMA model, which is comes under statistic models. It will produce lower predictive accuracy. As you can see, this model produces accuracy nearly 93%, okay, which is very low, okay. It will produce 93% accuracy only. This also they have used fruits only, okay. For example, you can see banana, choysum, tomato, then raw meat. They are basically using fruits price prediction, not for all the agriculture commodities. But in our project, we are going to include nearly 300 plus agriculture products. Also, if you are going for the existing system, means the existing system uses the ARIMA model, linear regression, time series model, okay. This is the main existing system released on the project. But the main drawback of this system was inaccurate prediction, unlimited data utilization. They have considered around 20 products, 10 products only, but we have considered around 300 plus products, okay, which is very much important for Indian farmers. As well as this existing system having lack of real-time forecast. They have considered last 5 years data only, but this project we have forecasted nearly last 20 years data set, okay, which is very much important for the future prediction. The proposed system, as I mentioned earlier, this proposed system solely based on convolutional neural network based model, which will be very important to predict, which will important to produce more accurate result when compared to the existing statistical model. Okay, this CNN model already we have known for the effective feature extraction. Okay, it will handle large number of data, very complex data. Why I am using convolutional neural network here means, as I mentioned earlier, I am using past 20 years data set of the 300 plus product. So you can calculate the amount of data which you are having in the data set. The data set contains around 50,000 plus data, okay. That's why CNN, we are using CNN here. It will handle the data very easily, okay. Also, the CNN will produce better trained result when compared to the existing pre-trained models, okay. This CNN will produce around 99 to 100% result. You can see the result later on this project. So this is the overall architecture of the project. In the architecture, as you can see, we have to collect various data sources. From the data sources, we have to collect 3 part of data: historical data, weather data, market trend data. This data going to the data pre-processing state. It will remove the missed noisy data. It will fill up the blank data. Also, it will remove the inaccurate data. So it will go to the pre-processing state. From that, it will come to the feature engineering state. feature engineering state, we have to extract the basic important feature. What are the features directly impacting the commodity price? It will extract the features based on the each and every factors. Okay. Then we are going to apply the CNN model here. What CNN will do means it will form the relationship with the multiple factors, multiple features as well as the price. Okay. So it will calculate that relationship. From that relationship, if we are going for the year means it will give the prices. This year, this much of price will increase. This year, this much of price will increase. Like that, it will give the better results. Then finally, in final, we are going to elaborate this project as a web application. In the web application, we have to make sure the user interface very much easily for both farmers as well as the common people. They can enter their product. Based on that product, it will give the future prices. That's what we are going to do. Okay. These are the models of the project. In the models, we are going to use 4 main models here. First model is data collection pre-processing model. Second model is model development. Then real-time price prediction model. Then visualization and user interface model. From the name itself, you have come to know that data collection model, we are going to collect past 20 plus years data set. In model development, we are going to apply the CNN, implementers of CNN algorithm. Then real-time price prediction model, we are going to use testing the CNN model. You have to give any commodity as an input, then year as an input. It will predict the prices for that. Okay. Then visualization model. Visualization model give the web application as a result. Okay. Main advantages of this project as a CNN means it will produce the effective feature extraction of the 50,000 plus data, as well as it will handle the multi-variety of data very much easily. Also, it is robust to noise. If you are having missing data or noisy data means it will handle that data very effectively. This is the sequence diagram of the project, class diagram, activity diagram, UML diagram. We are given all the diagram for these projects. Then requirements. For implementing this project, you need minimum i3 processor. i5 or i7 also will be okay. You need minimum 20 GB of hard disk space. Then you need minimum 4 GB of RAM to process this project. Then software. This project will run on Windows, Mac OS very effectively. This project we are going to use Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. The website framework, for the website framework, we are going to use Flask framework here. The accuracy of this project, as I mentioned earlier, the proposed system produces 99% accuracy. Existing system produces 87 to 92%, okay, which is very much lower. Also, this existing system losses comes under nearly 7%. The proposed system loss is 0.5%, which is very much low. Conclusion, we are concluded that the CNN based model demonstrated high accuracy in predicting the commodity prices, as well as it produces timely forecast. Okay, it produces the timely forecast. Okay, it considers the various environmental, geopolitical factors, for example, weather forecast, policymakers' decision, as well as the prices of the past 20 plus years. It considers all this data. Based on that, it will give the results. Okay. Then reference for this project. This is the PPT of this project. Okay. Let's move on to the project execution. So this is the project source code page. Okay. You can see the complete data set of this project. So let me see the complete data set of the project. So this is our overall data set of the project. You can see the complete data here. For each years, we have calculated the prices of the every items. You see the overall data set sizes also here. So we have calculated around multiple years data set. The data set overall sizes will be 8,68,966 data. This much of data we have collected for this project. So this is the overall data set size. Okay. So this is the data set we are going to use. You can see the training code also. Multiple training codes combined calculated for this project. So we have collected and shown the various training codes also. So we have built a website also for this project. Various websites pages. So this is the main code of the project. So directly run the project. To run this project, you have to copy the project location, then go to the Anaconda Navigator. From the Anaconda Navigator, open the project environment terminal. In the environment terminal, cd space, paste the project location, then enter. To run the main code, you should type python space app.py. This is the main code running execution command. So if you are entered, this means this project will run. So wait for the project to compile. Oh, it's executing. Once it got executed means it will create the localhost address. So this is the localhost address of this project. Just copy the address, paste it on any browser. So this is the home page of our project, FutureCrop. This is the home page of our project. So you can see predicting prices of pulses and vegetables. Predicting prices of pulses and vegetables. So you can use the AI powered insight for sustainable farming. This is the home page of our project. You can predict the pulse prices as well as fruits and vegetable prices. You can predict both. Okay. So this project produces 99% accuracy. Okay. So it produces 98.7 overall. We have mentioned as a 98% accuracy. Okay. This is the award-winning project. As I mentioned earlier, this project completely based on SIH. Okay. Smart India Hackathon. This project based on Smart India Hackathon problems. Okay. So we have collected around 390 crops. Though we have tracked 10 plus years data set. We have used 98% accuracy. Okay. So this project collected data from 12,000 plus farmers. Okay. So you can predict vegetable prices, fruits prices, grains prices, oil prices. That means rice oil, palm oil, like that. Nuts prices, groundnut, peanut, everything. Okay. So this is the overall home page of this project. So here about tab also there. In about tab, it mentioned what it was going to do. Services tab, what are the services it's going to produce. Everything given here. So let me move on to the home page. You have to upload the data set for the training purpose. Go to the upload. In the upload, choose file. Go to the project location. In the project location, upload the data set which you are going to train. Just click upload. Dataset upload. Just upload. Once you got uploaded means it will show the data set. Okay. Then just to go for the click train operation. Okay. Click train means it will train the data set. Okay. So it will take some time to train. Please wait for a particular time. So training got finished. Once training completed means you can predict the vegetable prices here, foods, anything you can predict here. For example, let me select any things here. So I'm going to select pepper price in 2025. I'm going to select, just predict the price. Pepper price. So pepper prices in 2025 will be 115. This is the overall pepper price. Well, let me select one more thing. As everyone know that egg, we can predict prices for egg here. So egg price prediction, predict the egg price for 2025 years. Okay, just click. So egg price in 2025 will be 6 rupees 60 paise. This is the egg price. Let me select to the any other things. For example, there are various factors here. For example, mango itself, various mango types are there. If you're going for the apple, there are various apple here. If you're going for the banana, there are various banana here. Like this project builder. Okay. For example, we can select apple Hasarat Palli. So the prices will be low for that thing, 143. If you are selecting some other apple, for example, I can select Fuji China. This apple means this price will be 268 in 2025. So you can see the price difference. In apple itself, there is variety of types. Each prices will be increase or decrease, depends upon the market demand. Okay. This project able to predict that very effectively. Okay. Not only apple, you can select, for example, various thing, sambar onion. For example, I can select sambar onion price. Sambar onion price will be 79 rupees. 79, that means nearly 80 rupees in 2025. Sambar onion itself, we have calculated two types. You can see onion. So Here you can see onion small economic. So this price will be 60. You can see the difference clearly. One onion price will be nearly 80 rupees in 2025. Another onion price, economical onion price, will be 16 rupees. If some farmers are going to harvest that normal onion means, surely that price will be going to decrease in the 2025. He will face the huge loss. This is the advantage of this project, okay? This is the main advantage. You can predict various things. For example, let me predict one more thing. Tomato. So just predict tomato. Tomato price will be 28. So again, what I'm going to do means pista price 165. So it will work perfectly now. Let me going to show one more interesting thing here. Go to the home page. Here you can see the commodity. Click the commodity. If you are a farmer, you don't know what to harvest for the 2025. Let me go on to the top gainer chart. So in the top gainer chart, you can see what are the crops going to face the huge increase in price in upcoming year. You can see sesame, jute, sunflower, bajra. These are the crops going to face high market demand in the future current trend years, okay? So also it will give the top losses. If you are going to harvest soybean, if you are going to harvest orat means you will face a loss. Depends upon the market trend, okay? This is very innovative now as a farmer point of view. Also you can see the commodity details also. For example, you are going to harvest the groundnut peanut means just click the peanut. It will give the price results, okay? I just click the peanut. It going for the prediction. So in October it will get 4,000 rupees per quintal. You can see current price is 4,099 per quintal. In October you will get 4,047 quintal. Maximum price will be on December. In the December, it will get nearly 500 rupees increase in the price. You would get 4,500 plus quintal. This is the best innovative things. Also, it will produce the graph. You see the graph, okay? In October, prices will be 4,000. In November, the price goes to the 4,200. In December, you get the peak price 4,500. Okay, this is the upcoming price. This is the previous year price. You can see these farmers faced January 2024. They faced a huge loss. Nearly price reduced to 4,036. This is previous year price. This is next year price. Very innovative now. Also, it will give the results. Okay, what are the price going to in October 2024? What are the prices in November 2024? It will give the complete data for that. Okay, clear data chart. Select any other things. For example, what I'm going to do means paddy, rice paddy. I can select rice paddy. So rice paddy price will be 1,380 per quintal. In October you do get 1,064, but in December you do get 1,043. Okay, the increment. Also the data December, maybe in December will be a demand month. I don't know. It will give the better results on demand December month. So you can cultivate that crop accordingly. Depending on the market trend, you can cultivate that crop. Okay. Let me go on to the select any other thing. For example, let me select wheat prices. Current will be 1,495. In October, you will get low prices, but in December, as you see, you will get higher prices. Okay. Let me select onto the one more thing. If it is sugar cane, let's select sugar cane. Sugar cane current price will be 2,493. This is the upcoming price. Okay, this is the upcoming price of sugar cane. This is the market trend for each and every month in the upcoming month. Okay, so perfectly you can select all the plants. Okay, you don't know what to harvest means it suggesting on top gainers as well as top losses also. Okay, these are the data. You can get what is the accuracy of this project. Let me check on the accuracy also. Go to the accuracy tab. In the accuracy tab, you can check all the accuracy and all. Okay, as you can see, this project produces nearly 99% accuracy. Okay, also it produces very last 0.675% last. Okay, also this is the confusion matrix of this project. This is the overall confusion matrix of this project. So this is the precision recall values. You will get around 99% of precision recall value. 1.00 means 100% nearly. So this is the ROC curve of this project. Then overall architecture of this project. Everything given here for this project. So this is the best project, innovative project. To get this project, you have to contact Ieee.com. As I mentioned earlier, this project based on the SIH, Smart India Hackathon. Okay, thank you. To get this project, what you should do means you should contact Ieee.com. This link given on the description of the project. Here we have published various innovative projects. You can check our project list also. Okay, you can purchase the project from this list also. Okay, thank you.